people, Ember Bonnazza don come for Supertech. Oh yes, so Supertech say this December they want make everybody get light. Because of that one, they say they will give you solar if you pay 70% of the money. At the end of the day, after 2 months, you can pay the remaining one. They say this solar wey don fix for you, so if they carry borehole, if they carry anything for your house, my people, Bonnazza they pass this one. Supertech Electrical say they want make a baby come up for your house, make lights come. Run to Supertech now. Number 1, First Federal Road, opposite Edopola Grammar School, before the Benin Police Station. Yes, so Bonnazza no dey pass this one. If you want light for your house this December, run to Supertech now. Their number there on your screen. Tell your pikin wey dey abroad say Supertech dey do Bonnazza. They will give you light if you pay 70% of the money. Yes, na true I talk. 70%. After 2 months, you go come balance your money. They will give you free light. They will give you free solar. My people, more na run to Supertech now. Now only Supertech dey do am for Benin. Nobody dey do am. Yes, so not be only that one though. Supertech dey do house wiring. They dey fix CCTV camera. They dey do bathroom fittings. They dey do full house wiring. They dey do electric fence. Anything wey don concern electric work at all, Supertech dey do am. They fix electric for your house and e no work well, and for your complex and e no work well, call Supertech. They go rectify the fault. My people, make una share this video, make e reach everywhere. Make dem know say Supertech dey do Bonnazza this December. Supertech ukpagare bebiri wa. Supertech iye oga na.